What up? What up? Little late appearance to the live stream. Sorry about that, everyone. Wasn't ready to go live, but had to throw something together there. Had to get the live stream started up, make sure we had 1,000 people in here, finish up getting ready. Got the jug loaded. All right, let's see what we got. Let's drop down to a smaller. The good news is the live stream is already set up this time, so you don't have to watch me for 5 minutes set up the live stream. Yeah, I got a quick shower in. Had to do it. Let's go. Smash the like button. Crypto Clay, good to see you. Ed, good to see you. Tracy. Mikey D. Let's go. All right. Oh, we're pumping too. We're pumping for the live stream. Let's get this closer up. Let's do a little 5-minute camp. So I would think it's almost safe to say we've broken out pretty strong here. Luke, good to see you. Is that my whiskey jug? No, imagine. Nah, no whiskey jug. $3 would be wild. It's next stop. What's the reason? I made a video tonight. Go watch my video and you'll see the reason. Seriously though, we'll jump into it, but that's like today's video was really just like everything that's happened significant in the last 2 days-ish. And then you either have to take the perception of like all of that stuff was already happening regardless, so the market's just reacting to it, or that the market was just going to do this either way. So kind of have to take one of those viewpoints, and I don't know if there's definite proof on either one being completely right. Not the daily chart. Or we'll zoom out again until XRP is pushing on that breaking point again. About 280. That's the zone. Let's see what we got. Great video. Thank you. Any filing news? They're going to file. I promise you they're going to file. There's no real question about whether they file or not, to be completely honest. They are absolutely filing. It just comes down to what happens when we get Paul Adkins at the SEC. Like, that's the thing that really matters. Yeah, we'll fly through it. We'll go over some of it for sure. We'll go over some of the news for sure. I mean, the rate at which we're getting catalysts right now is just insane. Like bullish catalyst after bullish catalyst after bullish catalyst. See what else we got. XRP, HBAR, XLM, XDC all pumping. XDC up 11.5. Oh, wow. SEC sued Elon Musk. Yeah, I did see that. Crazy. Same exact thing Jay Clayton did to Ripple. Yes, he saw it. He's like, this is perfect. He's like, this worked out so well for the agency. It's crazy that after everything we went through and all the crazy shenanigans, the SEC's next case is against the most important man in the world, Elon Musk. Another great use of my tax dollars. Like, can I just like opt out of like SEC suing Elon Musk? Like, no, I think that's probably a waste of money. About SEC suing Ripple. Yep, I'm good. Coinbase probably doesn't need to happen. Something else that I don't want to name on the channel? Probably a couple things there. Oh, there we go. Back to 280. Guys, smash the like button for the little late night XRP pump live stream. Oh, whoa. Oh, there we go. There we go. That popped up quickly. Where'd that guy come from? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Watching this on XRP Dev is crazy. We can get that going too. Oh, my bad. Probably typed this in 300 times. I type it in wrong. Keyboard's in a very inconvenient place right now. I don't want this to crash the live stream, honestly. I think this thing needs an update. This thing is getting to the point where like it's almost unseeable. All right, let's pop back here for a minute. That's a little chaotic. I don't want it to crash the stream. Oh, what? It kicked me out. There we go. 83. The monster. Yeah, where's RPM right now? That's who we need. Oh, I didn't have... I wasn't watching the X chat. Mr. I's probably having a conniption in there right now. All right, X chat. Oh, actually, maybe I was watching the X chat. Nope, I wasn't. There we go, Mr. Intuitive. I knew you were chilling down there. Madagascar has crazy XRP traffic, actually. Interesting. I wouldn't have thought that. Oh, Taylor. Oh, man, I don't know about that one. Taylor says they like to move it, move it. That's a tough one, Taylor. Well, I think it's safe to say XRP's broken out. I mean, this looks to me like a breakout candle. I guess the next level would be to get above this 293. That's kind of what we want to do. That's where we got to last time. So I guess that's the big number, 293-ish. If we could rip through that, that's getting up there. No, I have, Taylor. I have. Doran, thank you so much for the donation. Appreciate that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I feel like I can't see. Taylor, Roger, thank you. I feel like I can't see donos right now. Let me fix this. So annoying. Where's my stream view? One minute, sorry. So weird. There we go. Sunday Slide, good to see you. Oh, there we go. Doran, thank you so much. Appreciate that. Alexander Vu, thank you so much. Really appreciate the donation. Sorry, guys. This thing is crazy. Right when I think I have a solution, it's like you find out the pitfall with that current solution. So I finally found something that pulled all the chats together all in one place. And the new great feature of this one is it doesn't show me when people donate. I'm just missing out on people donating. So sorry about that. We're back. App's gone. $227 likes. That's awesome. Let's go. And guys, real quick, shout out to XP Market, sponsor of the live stream. Great place to track everything happening on the XRP ledger. And as we can see, it's a green day for tokens on the XRP ledger as well, which is awesome to see the growth in this ecosystem, man. You know, I remember like a couple months ago, you'd scroll past 30 and you started to see a lot of blank spaces. Now you really scroll on this thing and you see this thing building out. So super cool to see that. Shout out to XP Market. That's great to see. People saying I just wanted to drop again. Yeah, that's the thing, right? It's like now that the price is going up, everyone's going to wish XRP wasn't going up. I'm telling you, you're going to have a lot of people reaching out being like, I can't believe you didn't tell me about XRP. Although XRP would look really good at the $3 mark. Dennis, thank you so much. Super chat, crypto bitlord, $100. By the weekend? Did he say that? Watch how quickly the XRP narrative changes. XRP is going to flip ETH. Oh, it's going to be glorious. People are tweeting at Alex Cobb. They're like, please stream. He's like, I can't. The pump must continue. Oh, man. Ooh, hourly inflows look good too. Hold on, take a look at this. Oh, I love having XRP as the number 3 cryptocurrency. So nice just being at the top. All right, here we go. Hourly inflows. Can we see that? Yeah, we can see that all right. 50 mil, 29 mil. Okay, so 50 mil, 29 mil. So let's see. Inflows since the bottom of here. Inflows since the bottom of here. So we had 53 mil, 12 mil, 50 mil. Called 150-ish mil of inflows. Canceled out by 20, 50, 60, 120. I mean, like 150 million worth of inflows and 150 million worth of outflows. I need to figure out why that happens. So, I mean, almost the same amount there, which is fascinating. But then if you take a look at what that did to the market cap of XRP, so like 150 million worth of inflow, crazy. 150 million worth of inflows, 150 million outflows. And if we go back to the hourly chart and see what that did to the market cap. So in that time period that we did that, the correlation to the XRP market cap was that the market cap grew 50 billion. I mean, that's insane. So in the time period that we did, essentially from December 28th, December 28th, we had 150 million of net inflows and 150 million worth of net outflows, and we net 50 billion to the XRP market cap. Anyone want to Anyone want to explain that to me? Taylor, give me something. Like, is it covering? It must be future driven. I mean, there's this is just what I'm coming up with off the top of my head. Short covering, maybe. That's crazy though. 50 billion market cap increase with not a lot like over that time period, kind of netting inflows and outflows. Guys, smash the like button. So Taylor, the question was that since December 28th, we've had about 150 million in outflows and 150 million worth of inflows, but we've added 50 billion to the XRP market cap. So what's the theory on what's driving this? Is it I think I have derivative volume here, so maybe there's a big inflow in derivatives right now. I mean, but this is even weirder. This is even weirder. Look at this. Look, this is the derivative data. So it's like not even like there's like a ton of like leverage. Volume weighted, is that going to change anything? No. It's like not even. It's not futures driven or derivative driven. I don't know. RLUSD being minted? RLUSD is 83 million right now with 90 million in reserves. Everyone's saying it's spot driven. All I'm wondering is like, it could just be, I mean, it must be that the data source that the spot is coming from is not being pulled by CoinGlass. Is that the best explanation right now? That it's spot driven, but it's whatever this data is coming from isn't being pulled by CoinGlass? Unless there's a huge buy in like the last 5 minutes on this thing. No, this is up to date. I have no idea. That's right. It's the only thing I can think of. Oh, very interesting. 43 million net buying across 4 major spot markets in the last 30 minutes. So I guess it's the time frame all that came in. It's so weird though. South Korea gonna crash XRP again? I don't think South Korea crashed it. I think the thing is that Coin Market Cap pulled data being reported out of South Korea to crash it. So it wasn't really South Korea who crashed it. Something I was talking about the other day is how cool it's going to be when you can pull, like I can live stream and people from Japan can like be in the chat talking to people who are speaking English. Like imagine that day. It's probably right around the corner. Like anyone could get in this live stream anywhere in the world, like Japan, China, India, and like speak their native language. And then that would get pulled into the chat as English. Or your guys' comments would get pulled in their native language. I was thinking about that the other day. Right, Taylor? I was thinking the same thing, like heavy buying across multiple exchanges all at once. Like, is that people trying to push price around? Very interesting data coming in. Bring the big candles back. Come on. That doesn't look bad though. Actually, it looks pretty good on the 5-minute. I don't know. I don't know about this tax exemption thing, man. I mean, it almost seems like too bullish. I mean, if we get that, I mean, I can't even tell you how bullish that would be. No capital gains tax on XRP is insanity. Roger, good to see you, man. Golden age. Love that, Crypto Clay. I don't know how much Fiat League could really be trusted, to be honest with you. Like, I don't know what Fiat League actually reports. It's just a cool website. Like, someone please make a better version of Fiat League. Come on, someone out there can do it. I believe in you guys. Look at XRP BTC. Oh, good call, Taylor. Wow, look at that. I mean, you know, you put it like this and you can almost make the case that I mean, this is playing out one way or another. That looks really good. Let's clear this real quick and throw a daily chart on this. Yeah, look at that breakout. That's a beauty. Oh, the Bitcoin maxis are not going to like that. The burning will take hundreds of years for what? Oh, absolutely incredible setup. No taxes on 4 cryptocurrencies and the rest pay taxes. I mean, like, that just seems a bit unrealistic to me. Not that I wouldn't love it. It just seems like insanity in a crazy bullish way. Yeah, I agree. The SEC appeal is priced in at this point. The SEC will drop the appeal once Paul Atkins comes in or settle, but there's no way Gary Gensler's dropping it. I mean, Gary Gensler sued Elon Musk on his way out the door. And he went on CNBC the other day and trashed every single cryptocurrency. Like, Gary Gensler is not backing down. Not in a million years. It's so crazy that there's no derivative volume on this move. This is 100% a spot move. Well, not 100%, but this is mostly a spot move, which is crazy. Oh, I didn't even see this. This is massively bullish. Tom Emmer has been appointed as a vice chairman of the subcommittee on digital assets. Tom Emmer is a big XRP fan. So Tom Emmer, vice president on the digital asset board. It's massively bullish. Wow, that's cool to see. That's some really big news that not a lot of people are going to talk about. Let me get a tweet out there. Oh, that's so funny. $1 million to sit with Trump at the crypto ball. I bet Brad gets 3 spots. That is hilarious. That'd be so funny if it was just Brad, Stu, and David sitting in a line next to Trump. Wow, 4,000 people on. Let's go. Let's see what we got. ETH fading. Oh, looks like we're making another move here. Let's see if we can get it to that 286. I think it was 292. What we would love to see. Got to get some momentum back going though for that. Salute, #1 coin on First Ledger. SLT Army is always here. All right. You know, if you show up, I'll throw you some props. Oh man, my phone's about to die. SEC delayed the Bitwise basket. Of course they did. Trying to find non-copyright music playlists, and I just found one that looks like it would definitely get me a lot of copyright strikes. But I don't trust this. All right, looks like we're making a push here. Break 290 tonight. It looks like we're gearing up for a move here. Chart looks good. Someone play the damn pump up song. I can't even hear that. I wonder if you guys can. Huh, no, it doesn't look like it. $280? Yeah, it's $281. $4 in Canadian. All right. 4 fake dollars. Oh, damn. That's terrible. Hate to hear about that thing with XRP bags. Hopefully they're all right. What website you use to see XRP moving? This is TradingView we're watching right now. $2D2 on Coinbase. All right, we had some momentum going. Let's flip this red candle green. Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, Silver Days. Prayers for California, absolutely. And anyone impacted there. Bandman, love that. Yeah, looks like we're about to make a move here. Come on. Get me to sit up a little bit. Hey, Mickle, can we discuss an exit strategy through RLUSD and what? Yeah, I can't really get into that on a live stream, unfortunately. It's just not really appropriate for me to talk about that. It's a good question. It's just can't really talk about an exit strategy on a public live stream, really. Dude, at a $3.30 XRP, like realistically, we should be flipping Ethereum. Like we could get there tonight. At a $3.30 XRP, like we flip Ethereum. Like CoinMarketCap won't say it, but we would. Guys, make sure to smash the like button. Barely said it this stream, but get some newbies into XRP. If you didn't buy XRP until, if you got into XRP in the last 4 months, drop a rocket ship in the chat, or drop a 100 in the chat. Drop a 100 in the chat if you got into XRP in the last 3-ish months. Oh, here we go. I'm curious how many newbies are around. Oh, let's go, AC. Tattooed engineer, Rocket reacts. Yeah, right, Silver Days. Oh, let's go. Okay, there's a lot of people. Well, you're in the right spot. Walter, okay, very cool. Yo, congrats to you guys. Welcome aboard. Yeah, just drop the amount of time. Drop the amount of time. Just screw the emojis. Drop the amount of time. 2.5 years, Archer. 3 years, 5 months, Enzo? 5 years, Mike Rod? Guys, the newbies, take a look at how long some of these people have been here. Take a look how long some of these people have been here. 2017? Yeah, for some people, it's easier just to go by dates. I was a 2018er myself. 8 years? Chem Dog, that's crazy. Mikey, 7? Chris, 7 weeks. Dope. Love that. No, I love the new ones too. 2018, 6 year. Oh, wow. Okay, guys. This is getting crazy. 7 years? It's 2 weeks. YOLO, that's awesome. 2030. Oh, the chat's going crazy. Kenny XRP, Jan 2018. Lots. It's funny. So many people got in around the Ripple SEC case. It's like you look at all the times, like the Ripple SEC case was so bullish for people getting into XRP. So bullish. 35 years. 1863. I like how the chat went from a couple people just throwing it out there, then everyone putting it, and then all fake answers. Like everyone just consistently, it was just all a couple people sharing, everyone sharing, and then just a bunch of fake answers. Oh, we are pumping. Can you guys believe people were bearish on XRP? $286. Oh boy. This is gonna get crazy. This is gonna get crazy. Have not sold one XRP. Yeah, if you're selling before, actually no comment on that, but 286. Man. Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out. Let's take a look at what this looks like and let's see how close we are to that previous, almost at 5,000 people. Guys, if you're watching this live stream and you're not subbed to the channel, what are you doing? Support the cause. Do it for the children. Let's see, that last wick is like, yeah, so 292. We can do that on this live stream easy. 292 is what we have to get to for open air. I'll mark it off too. All right, 29. So right around here. I mean, we're coming at that thing like a freight train. Guys, take a quick second, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for the kids. Who's the youngest person in this chat right now? Who's the youngest person? Seriously, don't blast it with fake answers too. I want to see who's going to be like the richest kid when they're older. If you're under the age of like 18, drop it in the chat. You're not. Ah, balls. You better watch yourself. Mo? Is Mo actually 9? If Mo's actually 9, that's young. Okay. So Mo's just making stuff up. Well, that was a big mistake. That was a big mistake to ask. I don't know what I expected to get there. All right, let's get a closer time frame. Alex Cobb is banned from streaming in times like this. We can't risk it. 7 Dennis, thank you so much. Look at you, man. Got the dog in you, Dennis. Buy the rumors, sell the news. I don't know about that. I think there's a lot of good news coming. We'll see, though. To me, it seems like XRP still has got a lot of catching up to do to catch the rest of the market. XRP is crashing now? Is this what you call a crash? You guys have some crazy terminology of crash, man. Please find me the crash. Look at that XRP crash. Crazy. You're 10? I don't know who to believe anymore. Can I make it crash so you can buy more? Sure, a lot of people are feeling like that right now. Crashing into the ceiling. Thank you so much, Halls Balls. Really appreciate that. And really appreciate you for being an OG as well. Halls Balls, Crypto Clay. I mean, there's so many people who have been here for the entire journey, right? Or at least the entire journey in which I've been documenting it. But huge shout out to you guys. Are people taking profits or holding? Some people are doing whatever, right? Like me personally, it's we're in the pregame right now, right? Like this is child's play right now. Yeah, I just don't look at this stuff, and I don't look at this as like, is this exciting? Is it fun? Yeah, but is this like, in my opinion, like peanuts? Absolutely. Yoshi, thank you. Mary Cox, thank you so much for the donations, guys. Let me go to the zoomed out price chart because I feel like we need to take a look at that now. Based off of some of the commentary, we just got to take a look at the zoomed out price chart. Take this back to the monthly real quick. Like if you're feeling like you ever feel like you're just hyper focusing on XRP's price, go look at some monthly candles. Like like does it get much better than this? People are asking what this is. This is the XRP price chart. This was the cycle in 2013 to 2017. And what you can see is we've almost mirrored it exactly. This was the big shakeout. This long sideways price movement, which is a nice little 2.5 year grind. You probably won't ever really be staking on the XRP ledger. There will be ways to stake XRP, but you probably won't be staking on the XRP ledger. It's not the right consensus model for it. So there is no staking on the XRP ledger. One of the core principles of the XRP ledger is that the best incentive is no incentive. And the reason why the best incentive is no incentive on the XRP ledger is because you want people to provide validation power because they care about the network, not because they're going to go farm some fees. Strong Mountain, thank you. Thank you so much. I love the emojis too. So here's the thing about the best incentive is no incentive is if you have everyone providing validation power because they want to just go make some money on the network, it's not really true network security. Like it is in one way, but also it's just like everyone's there just to make a profit. Now, that's overgeneralizing, right? Like there's a lot of people there because they want to make a profit and because they care about the network. But you do have a lot of noise in there of people who could probably care less. Like they're just there to farm some tokens. So the thing with the XRP ledger is just like everyone there coming to the XRP ledger is there because they want to provide network security to the network. So that's one of the big differences there. And that's one of the other big reasons why I always encourage people, like, and this is a great stream to do it on because there's 5,000 people watching. I always encourage people, like, if you have the technical know-how and you want to really get into this stuff, like, go run a node, go run a validator, go contribute to the XRP ledger. Like, since we've started pushing this, I think we were at 750 nodes. We're out at now at 950. We're at like $140 validators. We're at now at 185. So it's like, go take the time, learn how to do some of this stuff, and contribute some of that power back to the decentralization of the network. Someone said, thank you, Trump. Yeah, guys, imagine where it'd be right now. Oh, man, I don't even want to think about it. Take a quick look at XP market. I want to see real quick if anything's happening on the AMM trends. DVL's up to 158 million. That is fantastic. Up to 5,000 viewers. Guys, thank you so much. We'll jump back to a shorter XRP time frame. See what we have to do and whether or not we're going to get that breakout to the new local all-time high. We're close. It's teasing us. It's right here. Just got to get up here, but we got a little bit of a red candle we got to fight through. Yeah, I don't think there will be staking on the XRP ledger. The XRP ledger is not a staking chain. Staking for network security is like, I don't love that network security model. The SEC will probably file last minute. Is tomorrow the 15th already? Wow. That's wild. Okay, so I guess we're hitting the first sell wall right now, and that's sitting about a $2.90 XRP. So we got to break through that sell wall to really see it rip. I guess it's about 4 million XRP sitting at 290 at Coinbase and Binance right now. Mateo, good to see you. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I love that. XRP brick wall 292. Yeah, we'll see if XRP can blast through it. Wow, that's interesting. I just saw something that said it's 16.5 times easier to move the price of XRP than Bitcoin. Any good news for XRP? Yeah, I covered a lot of news coming to XRP in my video today. I would check that out. You kind of want to know some of the news catalysts, all the fundamental catalysts around this. I would check out that video. Right now, we're just sitting back and watching the pump. Fire Dog posted something in the DM. Word. Yeah, this guy's good. All right, we'll pull that up. I like this guy. Never seen him around, but Fire Dog, appreciate you for plugging this guy. Post you just posted. Is this the older one? XRP funding rates and spot premiums still haven't budged. This rally continues to be purely driven by spot. Genuine demand for the coins has been pushing us higher. It's so crazy. Wow, look at the spot market. That's insanity. Just a massive demand for XRP. Could you see a possibility where there's so much liquidity that's coming? No, I don't think I don't think there will be ever a scenario where we're burning that much XRP, because we would just change the burning rate so we don't burn that much. We don't want that much XRP burned from the network. That gets into dangerous territory. You really don't want the network burning 90% of its supply. You want it to be slowly deflationary, because people are losing XRP. You have all kinds of other things going on. You don't want to be burning that many tokens. I know it seems good for price, but it's really not, because if you burn out all the tokens out of existence, then you have a bunch of underlying issues with the network. I think it would actually cause the price to fall, because you'd have fundamental issues with the network that would compromise it as a network. Mickle, you ever have fam or friends be all stonewall every time XRP brought up? Most of the folks are that way. No, my family's all pretty interested in it, to be honest with you. Well, my mom has no idea what any of it is, but she pretends to know. My dad understands it pretty well, and the rest of my family, um, most of them own some XRP. So my family's pretty bullish on XRP. Looks like we got a little bit of a sell off here. We'll see how quickly this gets eaten up. All major spot and perpetual exchanges just smash market buy at once. Smells like a lot of FOMO. Very interesting. Still can't believe the SEC sued Elon Musk. Crazy. like we're trying to turn this candle green. That's what we need to do. Unfortunately, though, looks like a lot of the XRP pump is going to happen overnight. All right, guys, with that said, I'm going to jump. We've been live for an hour and a half. We definitely watched a good portion of that pump come up. Obviously started around here, went all the way up to around 286-ish. Probably, you know, we're probably going to break out above that 292 level tonight. But I need some rest. Guys, thank you so much for coming. You guys are all incredible. You know, we'll be live again in the morning to take a look at what this pump gave us. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. You guys are incredible.